Hello!
Hi, this is Gino and Blaze here at Music Villa today. Today we're going to do something a little different. I want to talk about the top 5 things that people don't know about Music Villa. Number 1 is unbelievable, but we talk to people all the time around town that just think that guitars at Music Villa start at like $3,000, and we have 3 great examples here. So number 1 thing about Music Villa people seem to not know or forget is we have entry-level instruments. We have entry-level guitars. And
Yeah, just because you have the nice high-end stuff, which we have nicely displayed out and all that, it might be overwhelming to some people. Like, whoa. But, there's price points from all $150 and up and used all in between. So
yeah, exactly.
It's a full-on
used
store.
Yeah,
Great
used stuff.
So a lot of cool stuff. And we we go to the trade shows. We go to the NAMM and we do all this stuff. Paul's very active and all that. And we pick what we like.
Right.
You know, so we're kind of filtered. There's so much crap out there. Good and bad
Stuff.
crap. Stuff. There's so much stuff out there. And some is crap. Some's good. And you got to weave through it. We do that. And then have it in our store for you to decide. And have some options and plenty of options so you guys can also make a decision and have some choices. So anyway, there you go. So we have a little bit of everything.
Number 2, every instrument is set up by our expert repair guys before it hits the floor or ships. I said every instrument.
Yeah. I sign their degrees themselves, their expert degrees. We have a great printer. but go ahead.
Everyone, even these. I mean, they look them over. There's a little stamp of approval.
We like to know, put the strings on it, what's on it, so we always know. Everything
Right.
goes through there, so it's set up good. And if you're local, we continue to make sure the neck is good.
Absolutely.
And,
Absolutely.
We'll try to take care of it as best we can.
Yeah. And those guys are wonderful. I like to say they're the nicest people in the store, actually. Alan and Nate, they're awesome. They look over everything.
They're swell chaps.
Number 3,
with tools.
Thing that people don't know about Music Villa. This doesn't say it all. There's literally these giant posters all over the store. I talked to a good friend of mine the other day who said, I went and bought something from Sweetwater because they have financing. And I was like, dude, we have financing. We try to talk about it all the time. We have these gargantuan posters around the store.
I've never seen them.
You've never seen them. Yeah. Well, the funny thing is when I pulled this poster down to bring it down here, somebody who works here looked at me like, what is that? And I was like, goodness gracious. So our bandwidth these days is so small because there's just noise and information coming from everywhere. But please know, we have financing here at the store. I think right now it's, 12 months?
12 months. Interest-free.
And there's a promo right now with a $100 free gift card that the bank sends you.
And sometimes Martin and Taylor, we're offering 18 months or something, so we have that going on. That helps.
Number 4 thing about Music Villa that people tend to not know is very interesting. Music Villa is just a locally owned store.
Right.
We've been doing this since the very early 80s, and Paul and I, everybody, the whole team, but we talk a lot about how things look. I mean, Paul, the Deckers in general, Fred always had a great eye too for his generation. But they have a great eye, and the place when you walk in, it kind of floors you. It's really. I've been in over 500 music stores in my career, and
you used to hop trains and travel around the country.
That's right.
Yeah. Look for a job at a music store. It never happened.
But one of the cool things is when you come into our store, it's pretty impressive, and a lot of people actually walk out of here and go, well, let's go buy it online, and then they go to some giant corporation and buy it, and guess what? That's not us. We're a local store, so if you're not on musicvilla.com or standing in the store, you're not buying from us. So keep that in mind. I mean, it's just good information.
Yeah, Music Villa, musician's friend, different.
Very different.
You get a lot of people coming in and like, I'll just get it off your musician's friend, right? They're writing checks to musician's friend in our store. Like, no! So anyway,
that actually happens.
Yeah,
that's the crazy thing. That actually happens.
I'm not making that up. Yeah. So no, we're it is a local store, though we try to have a big web presence and compete with these. You gotta compete with these big stores and all that.
Yeah, our prices are the same, by the way. It's not cheaper online.
But when you're
people
calling
say, it's just cheaper online. No, actually, it's not. I mean, I'm not saying you could find something. You're looking at a humidifier or something, maybe.
Yeah, sometimes they bundle keyboards with stuff, but it's all like cheap stuff that a lot of times they come in and go, this doesn't work. Can you give me the real thing? Yeah, a lot
Right?
of times they come in with the stuff and there's issues with it or something. It hasn't been set up. There's something wrong with it, and they have to send it back and then come by here. So, I mean, we pride ourselves as being an independent store because you get a little more of that small town customer service, but still trying to have the inventory and the look and the feel of and the selection of something that you can feel comfortable that you're making a good decision.
Yeah, exactly.
That you checked everything out that's cool. And this
Right.
is what I'm
Well,
selling.
and now we're getting serious talking about something. The other thing is a lot of times, like you just said, that the stuff that's bundled in there, it's like it's not stuff we don't have an $8 keyboard stand.
Yeah, because it's ridiculous.
There's a reason we don't have an $8 keyboard.
I'll go in the alleyway and get some sticks and make it and duct tape, and it'll probably be similar.
Yeah, we don't want to monkey with that. So
Yeah.
we're doing you a favor not having the $8 keyboard stand.
Yeah.
So
So anyway,
All right,
there
so
is
that's
little
number
things
4.
there. Yeah.
Number 5 is all our auxiliary services, which we want to touch on. Hold that up a minute. Yeah. Wow, did you pull something?
I'll talk about it later. It's
Okay.
a long story. Yeah, it involves ointment. Okay.
Yeah. So number 5 is all the auxiliary services. We do rentals. We have Bose systems,
These are very
small
light. These are awesome.
PA rentals. We do still speakers on a stick, and we have a friend that helps us with that actually off-site now. When speakers are the stick, I mean powered speakers and mixers. We do that. We do have a few guitars for rent when people come into town and say, hey, I'm doing a performance or skiing.
Right, big tourist town, got to have rental guitars.
So rentals, we have a full music school here.
Yeah, a lot of lessons.
A dozen, 15 teachers here.
Yeah, drums,
hundreds
guitar,
of kids
piano,
coming through.
vocal.
You can sign up for that somewhere on this. If you're looking at this above or below, there's probably a click for lessons. So let's see, lessons, rentals, repairs. We talked about Nate and Alan. Those are the top 5 things that we're surprised that folks don't know about our little music store here in Bozeman, Montana.
Yeah.
So
Getting to know Music Villa.
I hope you enjoyed it and you feel warm and fuzzy. Have a great day.
Take care.